Bring him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today for you, I have something special. So, let's get started. So, I was looking through the cars I have parked out back in the boneyard, and I found this Spoiler Sport. Just sitting around, looking, worse for wear. And let's just get it down off the trailer. Alright. Put the ramps back up. And get my 2014 Silverado out of the way. So as you can see, it's missing a lot of paint. The spoiler on the back is bent a little bit. We'll have to see if we can do something with that. The interior glass should clean up very well. And we got to do something about those wheels. So get you a good look at that, and then we'll see what we're going to do about this thing, okay? Oh, look, here comes the UPS truck. What's the UPS driver have for us today? Let's see. If we don't wreck his truck. This one. There we go. So inside for our special delivery today, we have some reproduction decals from Second Chance Redlines. So we're going to see if we can get those on here to restore this. And I think there's something else in the back of this truck. We may have to jack up the front of the truck a little bit to get them out. Oh, that one almost rolled away. What do we have here? Is there more? Oh, there is. Alright, thanks UPS driver. You can go now. Thank you. Have a good day. Alright, so we are going to say this car should have been a Redline. Let's get this thing tore apart and find out what's inside. I'm just looking to take that rough edge off. I don't want to do too much, right? Now there's this weird casting line, but the wing is hitting it, so let's see. I'm gonna try something here that I probably shouldn't. But we'll see, because it would be better. Oh, perfect. One more. No. This side is actually lower. see. I thought I might actually have to use hot water or something on this. The back is slightly curved, but I'm okay with that from the front. It looks perfect. So we'll call that good enough. Not every... So what are we looking to do here? This is a black wall car that's really not worth much, and we're going to turn it into a Redline. And people are going to know it's not original because this came out in '77, I believe. So it's after the Redline era. So at this point, I mean, it's a restoration, but it's also a custom. Now I'm just looking at that burr on the front there, and I don't have much room to get to it, so there's that too. So I'm not pushing down, I'm pulling up. I'm just putting the file against and pulling up. There's a little bit on the back there. All right. Okay, so I just noticed that this is broken there, so we're gonna have to do something about that. It looks like it was maybe a short shot at the factory, like it didn't fill in. So I polished up this base more tonight. I keep going at too low of a speed when I'm polishing. I'm still getting used to that, and I cranked it up tonight and it looks so much better. And then I cleaned it with some Dawn dish soap to degrease it and everything. So ladies and gentlemen, it is my extreme pleasure to present to you the Hulk Edition Spoiler Sport Redline Edition. I don't know why. It's not rolling on all four tires. The Hulk is proud to ride this vehicle again. Let's get it up on the turntable. Here's what we started with. A worn out black wall. Incredible Hulk edition spoiler sport. Play worn. Wing bent. Tires worn out. Most of the paint missing. Could barely tell it was a Hulk car. We stripped it down, tore it apart. Cleaned the window and interior piece. Polished the base. Painted it in the Stenoris primer. And the yellow Redline shot paint for 70s and 80s Hot Wheels. Put the decals back on. Added those beautiful, beautiful replacement Redline tires. This car should have been a Redline. Coming up Wednesday next week, we have a build-off with Matchbox Mark. Also on Wednesday, we have the next episode of What's in the Case. And then again on Friday, our weekly build. Not exactly sure what that's going to be yet, but I'll pick something out I can get done quickly for you. And then on Saturday, we have the Monte Carlo build-off with the 3 blind mice. So I got a lot to get done the next week, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to show you guys what I come up with. Don't forget, Sunday we have the 100 subscriber special. So if I don't have the preview link posted for it yet, make sure you're watching for that. This will be a live premiere, and we're going to give away quite a few things. So watch out for that video. Don't forget, the grand prize is the Porsche for Andrew at Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers 1 year anniversary, 1,000 subscriber celebration. We're going to give this beautiful car to one of you. I also want to let you guys know I'm on Instagram now, and there'll be a link in the description and on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and go over there and click and follow me, and you'll get to see more pictures of my completed builds once they're done. Okay. Also, I'm planning an announcement for Sunday for something that will involve you guys more in my builds. Basic idea, real quick, is I'm planning on having voting for one of my weekly builds that you guys will get to vote on. And there'll be more information about that in the announcement video. I also found out today some pretty exciting news. One of the guys, like the guy whose channel I watched, who really, really inspired me. I've watched every single one of his videos, and he's been on hiatus for a while. He posted on YouTube today and announced that he's going to start producing videos again starting in April. And his channel is Diecast Resurrection. So, Austin, brother, welcome back. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button. I really, really enjoy seeing all the likes. And the comments you guys leave, you're the best. Love the comments, interacting with you guys. And, yeah, ring that bell for notifications. And if you would, share this channel, whatever social media you're on. It would really mean a lot to me. By the way, I don't know if you can see it, the Autoborn sealer came in today. So we will see Candy 2.0 on this channel again sometime, and hopefully whenever that happens, it's going to turn out good. We'll have to wait to see, huh? As always, this is Don, the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time. I love it when I talk and don't record.